Welcome to the mesmerizing world of trekking, where every step leads you to a new adventure. Today we embark on a journey to Mardi Himal, a hidden gem nestled in the Annapurna region, just a stone's throw away from the picturesque city of Pokhara. Our trek begins in Pokhara, a gateway to the Annapurna region. As we ascend, the lush green landscapes gradually give way to the rugged trails leading us towards Mardi Himal. The trek to Mardi Himal takes you through enchanting rhododendron forests, vibrant terraced fields, and quaint mountain villages. The warmth of the locals and the vibrant colors of their homes create an unforgettable experience. But what truly sets the Mardi Himal trek apart is the awe-inspiring panorama of the Annapurna range. As we ascend higher, the mountains unveil themselves in all their grandeur. Towering peaks like Annapurna South, Himalayan, and Machapuchare surround us, creating a breathtaking 360-degree spectacle. Reaching the high camp is a milestone in this trek. As we stand at this elevated point, the majestic peaks seem almost within arm's reach. The tranquil surroundings and crisp mountain air make this a perfect spot for reflection and admiration of nature's wonders. The final push to the summit of Mardi Himal is both challenging and rewarding. But as you stand atop this vantage point, the world beneath transforms into a canvas of beauty. The sense of accomplishment, coupled with the unmatched mountain views, makes every step worthwhile. In the heart of Annapurna region, the trek to Mardi Himal is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and adventure. As you descend back to Pokhara, the memories of the stunning landscapes and the towering peaks will forever be etched in your heart. This journey is not just a trek, it's a symphony of exploration, discovery, and the undying spirit of adventure. The vast Annapurna region sprawls before us, a majestic panorama that takes our breath away. The tranquil sound of rustling leaves and distant bird calls fills the air as we ascend the Mardi Himal trekking route. Reaching the base camp, the air becomes crisp and invigorating. Aerial shots capture the snow-capped peaks of the Annapurna range, standing tall against the clear blue sky. The serenity of the Himalayas unfolds beneath us. As we traverse the winding trails, the landscapes evolves, revealing lush forests, alpine meadows, and charming villages. The rhythmic footsteps echo a connection to nature with every turn offering a different perspective of the Annapurna. Perched on a high ridge, the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow over the snow-covered peaks. The breathtaking play of colors, from golden hues to soft purples, paints the sky, creating a surreal canvas that encapsulates the essence of the Himalayan twilight. Descending towards a pristine mountain lake, the reflection of Annapurna in the calm waters mesmerize. The air becomes still and the distant silhouette of trekkers against the fading light adds a touch of adventure to serene setting. The climax of the journey unfolds at the Mardi Himal summit. Aerial views capture the first light of dawn, kissing the mountain peaks, unveiling a breathtaking spectacle.